Welcome back to Shubhkaamna Academy, where learning becomes fun and visual. Have you ever noticed how homes in villages are spread out in some places and tightly packed in others? Today we are going to learn about settlement patterns, how and why people build homes in different arrangements. From villages to towns, from riversides to hilltops, let's explore how human settlements are formed and why. What is settlement pattern? A settlement pattern means the way houses and buildings are arranged in an area where people live. It can be tightly packed like in cities or scattered and spread out like in countryside villages. These patterns are influenced by geography, water, land, farming, and population. Understanding settlement patterns help us know how people adapt to their environment. So types of settlement pattern. There are two types, clustered and dispersed. And clustered has again regular, irregular, and regular has been again divided and classified further as nucleated, linear, and planned. So we are going to learn one by one in detail. Isolated. Isolated settlements are homes that are far from each other. These are found in hilly, forest, or desert areas where people live independently. Clustered settlements are where many houses are built together like big family neighborhood. They are often found in plains or near rivers where people farm and need to stay connected. Now, factors for clustering and factors. Why do some people live close together and some far apart? Now, the factors for clustering: water availability, fertile land for farming, safety from animals or enemies, and religious or social norms are the reasons. Now, the disperse. Dispersed settlements are the ones where the houses are spread out over a wide area and they are often the homes of farmers and can be found in rural areas. So the factors for disperse are hilly or rocky land, forest or deserts, then lack of roads or transport, nomadic or tribal lifestyle. So the nature and human needs decide how people settle. Then nucleated. A nucleated settlement is where houses are grouped around a central point like a well market or a temple. Let's look at the Now let's look at this example of Little Thetford in England, where you can see how homes are built closely around a central church and roads. This pattern is very common in traditional villages where people live together for farming and safety. Now loose knit. Loose knit settlement has houses with some distance between them. It is not too dense or not too scattered. Linear and river settlements. These are found along roads, rivers, or railway lines. This is very common in Netherlands, where people build homes along dikes, canals, and roads for easy access to water and transport. This pattern makes travel easy and is perfect for places with long, narrow line stretches. So, in the Netherlands, Malaysia, and Thailand, houses have been built along canals and waterways. Just now I explained. Now, the ring and green villages in England. In ring or green villages, houses are built in circle or around a central open space, like a park or a grazing field. This pattern is seen in England, especially in older villages where people share common land in the middle. And it helps to create a strong community feeling and provide space for cattle or community events. And it's beautiful and very organized. You can go through these slides. You can see in this slide that in the ring and green villages, the green area in the middle is kept for cattle grazing, children playing, community gatherings, and festivals or meetings. And this green patch is important for social life and for maintaining nature within the settlement. It keeps the environment fresh and helps in rainwater absorption too. Then planned settlement. A planned settlement is one that is carefully designed before people start living there. And this includes straight roads, parks, proper drainage, schools, hospitals, shops, where the place properly. Examples are modern cities and townships like New Delhi and or Chandigarh in India. Everything is built where a purpose and comfort in mind. So today we'll learn how human settlements are arranged in different patterns from scattered huts to modern cities. Nature needs safety and planning all decide where how people build their houses. Whether it's cozy little village or a big metro city, each place has its own story. Keep learning, keep exploring, and keep watching Shubhkaamna Academy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such wonderful geography lessons. See you next time. Thank you.